The remote start operating range is approximately 200 feet or 60 metres from the Pathfinder. For remote start to function, the car must be in park with the ignition off and all doors must be closed and locked. It is important to check with your local road authority in each state of Australia, as there may be laws that restrict or forbid the use of remote starters or require a person using remote start to have the vehicle in view. To start the Pathfinder remotely, press the lock button on the key fob. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the engine start button for at least 2 seconds. The engine will start and the daytime running lights will turn on, and the automatic climate control will heat or cool the vehicle depending on the outside temperature and the in-car temperature and the last user mode. During this period, the climate control display and buttons will not operate until the ignition is turned on. The engine will run for 10 minutes and then turn off. To extend the time for one additional 10-minute period, press the lock button on the key fob. Then press and hold the engine start button for at least 2 seconds. The run time will be calculated as follows. The first 10-minute run time will start when the remote start function is performed. The 10-minute extension will start immediately after the remote start function is performed a second time. For example, if the engine has been running for 5 minutes and you extend the remote engine start, the engine will run for a total of 15 minutes. Press and release the engine start button on the key fob at any time to cancel the remote engine start. After 2 remote starts, the ignition must be cycled from on to off before remote start can be used again. To start driving after using the remote start, apply the brake pedal and press the ignition switch. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.